Hi, I'm Leanne, and I was sent this mirror for free in exchange for my honest review. So I'm going to show you the unboxing and the installation on this 24-inch gold framed mirror. When the mirror arrived at my house, I was happy to see that it was double boxed. Once I opened the second box, the mirror came out and it was double insulated with styrofoam on each side. The installation materials were also included along with the instruction sheet about how to install it. Here's a close look at everything that came in the box. My favorite feature of this mirror is the detailed gold edge. The back of the mirror is attached with these simple tabs, and at the top, you have a screw hole to hang the mirror on the wall. To begin installation, I'm going to take one of these yellow drywall studs and I'll drill a hole in my wall and then put a stud in the wall. Now that my drywall stud is in the wall, I'm going to use my drill and take the screw that came with the mirror. I'm going to insert the screw into the drywall stud and then drill that into the stud. The last thing to do was to hang the mirror on the screw. I really like this mirror because it's stylish and sleek. It's everything I expected, and it's definitely a product that I can recommend.